Hey guys, I'm back on a track today in this green Civic SI. So it's really hot day today, about 90 degrees, and very humid. You can probably tell by how sweaty I am. Heat 1 is about to start right now, so I'm getting ready to go. All right, we're ready. Okay, so we are at the grid. It's been a fantastic day here at the track. It's finally starting to cool off. We have some clouds. It's been beaming sun on top of us the entire day here, but now it's getting a bit better. So the car actually got hot on me twice, so I can probably make like 4 laps or so, and then it starts to overheat. So I had to slow down, go into the pits, and start over. But overall it wasn't that bad. I passed a few people, a couple people passed me, but it was a fun ride.